Hello everyone! Here we have another lesson to explore, another set of activities to solve, another learning to unlock. I am Teacher Bell from Bagong 92 Elementary School.
Our topic for today is differentiating perimeter from area. Come on, let's start. Do you know that measure of perimeter and area are commonly used in agriculture? A farmer who wants to build a fence around his orchard needs to know its perimeter. The number of trees that he can plant in his orchard depends on its area. Perimeter and area are very important terms in mathematics. This applies to any shape of the field, irregular or regular. Perimeter is the distance around the object, while area is a measure of the space contained within an object. It is the amount of the dimensional space taken up by the object. It is measured in square unit. Example: if you want to put a fence around the house, how would you calculate how much fencing is required? To know how much fencing material is required, then you will calculate for the perimeter. Perimeter measures the distance around the outside of the shape. Think about it as if you're about to put a fence around the outside of the shape, and you need to know the length of the fence. If you count the spaces around the outside of the shape, you'll find that the distance around it is 14. This means the perimeter is 14 units. Another example: your parents want to put a new 2 meter by 3 meter carpet in your bedroom. How much floor area will be covered by a new carpet? To know how much floor area will be covered, you need to calculate the area of the carpet. Area measures the number of square units that can fit on the inside of the shape. If you copied a shape onto grid paper, the area would be the number of squares that the shape covers up. There are many different formula for area that depend on the shape, but the main idea is that area is the amount of the space on the inside of the shape. 12 squares fit inside the shape below, so the area is 12 square units. Activity time! Now, it's time to test yourself.
Let's try to answer Activity A. Read and understand the following sentences. Write if it is perimeter or area. Write your answer before each item. Number 1. Measures length or distance. It is always measured in regular units. Feet, inches, meters, etc. What is your answer? It is perimeter. Very good. Number 2. It is a region occupied by a closed shape in two-dimensional. What is your answer? If your answer is area, you are correct. Let's have number 3. Two-dimensional shape found by counting the number of squares that cover the shape. What is your answer? The answer is area. Very good. Let's go now to number 4. The number of square that fit in the inside of the shape, so it is always measured in square units, square meter, square inches, square feet, etc. What is your answer? Yes, it is an area. Good job, kids! Let's have now number 5. It is the length of the outer boundary of a closed shape. What is your answer? The answer is perimeter. Very good! If you got a perfect score, very good, kids! Let's have another activity for you to fully understand our lesson. Let's have activity B. Read each item carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. AJ recently purchased a large painting. He wants to know how much wood he needs to build a frame. He also wants to know how much space the painting will take up on the wall in his room. If AJ wants to know the former, what does he need to find out about the painting? A. The perimeter of the painting. B. The area of the painting. C. The volume of the painting. Or D. None of the above. What is your answer? Yes, it is letter A. The perimeter of the painting. Very good! Let's have number 2. If AJ wants to know the latter, what does he need to find out about the painting? A. The perimeter of the painting. B. The area of the painting. C. The volume of the painting. Or D. None of the above. What is your answer, kids? Yes! It is letter B. The area of the painting. Good job, kids! Let's have now number 3. The width of a rectangular field is 75% of its length. If the perimeter of the field is 1.050 meter, then area of this field is A. 67,500 square meter, B. 57,600 square meter, or is it C. 62,500 square meter, or letter D. 55,500 square meter? What is your answer? If your answer is A, 67,500 square meter, you are correct. Let's have now number 4. What is the numerical differences between the area and perimeter of a square with 5 centimeter? Is it A, 15, B, 10, C, 5, or D, 1? What is your answer? If your answer is letter C, then you are correct. Good job, kids! Now let's have number 5. Which diagram indicates the perimeter of the shape? Is it letter A or letter B? What is your answer? Yes, it is letter B. Good job, kids! You are all awesome. Let's have another activity. This time, you are going to tell if it's true or false. Activity C. Read carefully. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong about perimeter and area. Write your answer before the item. Are you ready? Number 1. Perimeter refers to the space covered or occupied by an object, while area refers to the length of the boundary of the same object. Is it true or false? What is your answer? If your answer is false, you are correct. Very good, kids. Now let's have number 2. In simple terms, area can be described as a concept that deals with the inside of a figure, while perimeter is something that is concerned with the borders or outside of a figure. What is your answer? Yes, it is true. Very good. Now let's go now to number 3. The area might be needed to be found out if you want to know how much carpet is needed on the floor, while the perimeter is required when you need to know how much length or where you required to fence your field. What is your answer? Yes, it is true. Good job, kids. Very good. I hope you understand our lesson for this day. Until next time.